Good day, sir. The document The Mayor Did It, hosted by Jesse Cruzat, talks about 1993 case of UP Los Baños student Eileen Sermenta and Alan Gomez, who were victims of horrible crime led by then Caloocan Mayor Antonio Sanchez. This case connects to Rule 129, which define evidence as the means used to prove or disprove fact in court. In the documentary, evidence such as witness statements, forensic results, and physical proof were all important in finding the truth and convicting Mayor Sanchez and his men. It shows how strong and legal evidence can bring justice even against powerful people. It also relates to Rule 129, which allows courts to recognize facts that are publicly known or official without needing further proof. For example, the court can take notice of the mayor's position, the public records, and the seriousness of the crime, which already were known to society. Um, Watching this documentary made me realize how essential the rules of evidence are in protecting justice. They prevent lies, manipulation, and the power from deciding the truth. Without proper evidence, justice would only depend on opinions or influence. I also realized that the law is not just about punishment. It's also about the truth, fairness, and accountability. Most of all, the story of Eileen and Alan remind me that the justice makes courage, patience, and faith in the system. It shows that even when evil seems powerful, the truth, supported by solid evidence, will always find its way to light. Thank you, sir.